Konnichiwa. Hari ini Tata Simon akan memperkenalkan dua resep Japanese salad. Satu, bahan utamanya taco atau oktopus dan ketimun. Satu lagi, bahan utamanya smoked salmon dan alpukat. Bagaimana cara membuatnya? Mari kita lihat.
Gurita 350 gram, ketimun 1, cuka 50 cc, dan SHIRO MISO paste 60 gram.
Hello, are you ready? We can prepare now taco with cucumber and miso vinegar dressing. So first we will boil the taco. If I bought already cut it, if you cannot buy it, you can buy big taco, you can cut by yourself for small pieces and just boil it a few minutes, probably 5-10 minutes should be fine. And some water and we can boil it. And while waiting for taco, we can prepare the rest of the dish. So, one cucumber should be enough. We can peel little only. It's quite fancy way of peeling. Can leave little green part. And yes, so only then just cut for half. And for small pieces. So cucumber is ready. We can put in the box when it will be marinated. When we prepare everything, generally it's good if you wait few hours in the fridge. I mean, if you put in the fridge, then please wait few hours. Then all the ingredients can mix together really good. And the best way probably is prepare one day before, so next day you can eat ready good dish. The taco boiling now, so 5 minutes more for boiling, and we can prepare now the dressing. So we have vinegar and miso. White miso is good choice here for that dish. So we can just mix it properly. And then one thing is about the taste. I'm using the vinegar and miso, like one big spoon. It's around 60 gram miso and 50 ml vinegar. But if you like more spicy, more salty food, then please, when you prepare the dressing, please try it. If you think it's good for you, then you can use it. If you want it more sour, then you can use more vinegar or a little more miso. So the taco is boiled now. You can drain it. Can add the cucumber. Mix a little and add the dressing. Mix again. So be sure that all cucumber and taco is covered with the dressing. Then we can cover it and shake it again. ready. Now, as I said earlier, you have to cool it down a little, then you can eat it after a few hours when it will be colder. Eventually tomorrow, which will probably be the best choice. Thank you.
Alpukat, wasabi, smoked salmon, dan mayonnaise.
And now we prepare salmon and avocado. That dish is extremely easy to prepare. Just please cut the smoked salmon for pieces like one, so generally quite small piece. For one time you can put your mouth.
Small.
And we can put some salmon already to the bowl where we will be mixing. And now we can cut avocado. And same avocado for small pieces. Avocado, so in the bowl we can put some avocado now. Then rest of the salmon and rest of the avocado. If you want, you can use 2 avocado, but generally for this kind of salmon, which was like 50 grams, 1 I think will be enough. And now we have avocado and salmon, and we can mix with mayonnaise and wasabi. Wasabi, if it's possible, please use good quality, then the taste will be much better. And again, the quantity of the wasabi depends on your flavor, on your taste. If you want more stronger, then you can use a little more. If you want less stronger, please use a little less wasabi. Again, just try to mix properly so all pieces will be covered equally. And it's ready. If you want, you can eat directly now with some bread or with anything if you like it. If not, then please cool down. Again, 1-2 hours should be enough. Then the taste will be different because all the ingredients can mix together properly and be much better.
Jangan
Enjoy the
lupa
dish.
like, subscribe, dan tekan tombol lonceng. Bye-bye.